The purpose of this press conference was simply to let you know that the consultation phase is over. And this morning, I came to announce my candidacy for Speaker of the 12th Parliament. The candidate I supported for president put on his poster a slogan, protecting the gains. Now, that is really a lot of English, but let me just simplify it. I believe that what that slogan meant was that we can't take anything for granted. So today, I urge Ugandans not to take anything for granted. Even the leaders you have, don't take them for granted. Even you young people in DP, today, you are saying all sorts of things about us, but tomorrow when you are not there, you will realize that you have been taking us for granted. Don't take anything for granted. This is an announcement. It's not a campaign. I believe in rules. Under the rules of procedure of Parliament, we are not supposed to campaign. There are members of Parliament who are supposed to be sworn in the 12th Parliament who contacted me and wanted to record videos endorsing my candidacy. But I told them that that's not allowed by the rules. A Speaker of Parliament is not supposed to be campaigning. Speaker of Parliament is almost like an archbishop. So imagine if the Church of Uganda is electing an archbishop, then you have recordings of bishops endorsing a candidate. That would really demean the position of archbishop. So I call upon all those who are interested in this position to desist from demeaning the stature of that office. The other day, when Pope Francis passed on, there was an election for Pope. Now imagine if cardinals started posting videos saying, I endorse so-and-so for Pope. I endorse so-and-so for Pope. That would be the most embarrassing thing. So I'm sorry to all my supporters. You are not allowed to campaign for me. Please don't campaign. The office of Speaker, according to Rule 5, is not one which is elected through campaigns. As a matter of fact, during the election of Speaker, the candidates don't even talk. The candidates are not supposed to talk. Just the proposer of a candidate speaks briefly. Even the rules say briefly about the qualifications of the candidate. Now, the only major qualification for Speaker is that you are a member of Parliament. So all those who have been elected to the 12th Parliament are possible candidates. Just like all the cardinals in a conclave are possible candidates to be Pope. But I would add two things. In terms of qualifications, your proposer has to talk about your record. And your record means your journey. I'm not a new person in the politics of Uganda. Everything about me, the good, the bad, and the ugly, is out there in the public view.